Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok Shop product not showing. Let's get started. First, go to TikTok Seller Center. Navigate to Products, then TikTok section. If your product doesn't comply with TikTok's advertising policies, it may be rejected. Check the Rejected Products tab. Review TikTok's ad product guidelines and edit the listing if needed. After that, open the TikTok Seller Center app on your phone, tap Settings, then go to Link TikTok Accounts, then tap Official Accounts. If needed, unlink and relink your official TikTok account. You can only unlink once and may not be able to relink again soon. Be sure before doing this. Wait 24 hours for TikTok to process the link. Check inbox notification in your TikTok app for updates. Then go back to in Seller Center, then go to Settings, then Link TikTok Accounts, choose Marketing Account and enter your TikTok username. This link your product listing to your market efforts. If your product still doesn't show, go to Help Center in the TikTok Seller Center. Scroll down and choose Live Chat with Agent or Submit a support ticket. And clearly explain your issue. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.